What is up, everybody? Happy Friday. Yes, you made it. It's the weekend, and it's time to party, and I plan to do a little partying myself on today's vlog, so I hope you enjoy it. It is sponsored by my good friends at National Parts Depot, npdlink.com. Stop by and check them out. Performance, restoration, whatever you need, they've got you covered. So if you've been watching my last few videos, you've seen me whine and cry and boohoo and everything about having cabin fever, being stuck in the house because of snow. And I can only imagine that if you're somewhere other than like Florida or California or Arizona, something like that, you're probably feeling the same way. And my buddy Nick Hunter, I also think he had some cabin fever and hit me up with some videos yesterday. Him and his buddy are actually able to get out a little bit and do some things. So today I'm going to show you those things. So before we go any farther with today's vlog, I did want to give you a couple of updates. I am still waiting on parts. UPS now is like 5 or 6 days behind. I've got a lot of stuff that's supposed to be here. It's not here. I wanted to let you check it out, but I guess it's going to have to wait till next week. Honestly, I don't know when it's going to show up, but it will be here, and I will bring it to you as soon as I have it. Trust me when I say you are going to absolutely flip when you see it. The second thing, because the Coyote is not the only news. I alluded to in yesterday's video that we're going to be doing some things to Mrs. Foxcast car, and she does not know. She does not know what I'm doing, and I will tell you as soon as everything's kind of lined out. It's nothing extremely crazy or anything like that, but it is going to be a huge couple of upgrades for her car, and we're going to take it down to her and surprise her. So that'll be cool. Then also, I will have an update on the 2-valve Terror, because her upgrades kind of tie into... Okay, I'm not saying anything else. That's all you're getting right now. So let's move on with the video. I'll have details for you on all that later. Alright, so like I was saying, my buddy Nick Hunter, he's got the GT. It's a Coyote swap, and apparently he was really sick of being stuck in the house, and so he decided to get the car out and do some shenanigans. So without any further talking, let's just see the first video and roll. Nick, man after my own heart, buddy. That was epic. Drop me a comment below and tell me what you think Nick's neighbors think of him now. Hopefully there's no homeowners association in his neighborhood, because he's gone. Anyway, I've got more for you. That is not the only one. The next involves a brand new drone that they just picked up. They were trying to get figured out, and they did get it figured out, and uses an opportunity to do this. Oh, no. Wait. There's more. He also used the drone to do this. You totally killed it, dude. Absolutely love it. Awesome video. For my final cabin fever video, Steven Sullivan has a hot little red notch, basically the same color as my hatch, and he hit me up. He's actually hit me with two different videos. One you've kind of seen, but this one is basically donuts while he holds a selfie stick. And he's steering, and devil sign, and all of this. Just like, it's probably one of my favorite videos of all time. But I'm going to just stop talking now and let you check it out. So, alright, so I've definitely got to shout out Steven Sullivan and Nick Hunter. You guys freaking killed it. Thank you for the content. One thing that I really want to do in this channel is include subscribers rides and, just show your stuff off too, because, one person's stuff is not cool enough to make a channel great. So I'm always looking to include your stuff. I am getting some submissions in. Eric, I got your stuff. And so that is my plan going forward, is to include as much of your stuff as possible, and I really hope you dig it. One other note, there's another channel that I need you to stop by and check out. It's called House of Dula. Super cool guy. We got to chatting the other day, and he does Fox body stuff like crazy. Tons of good info on his channel, so stop by and subscribe to House of Dula here on YouTube. Trust me, you'll love it if you haven't already. I'm sure you probably already have, but I've been watching for a while, so go by and check him out. Full show. Alright guys, so that is pretty much all I've got for you today. Cabin fever sucks, but as you can see, there's different cool stuff you can do. So get your car out, do something crazy within the law in Mexico, and don't hurt anybody, apply to any crowds, disclaimer. And then send it to me. Email is always in the description below, so make sure you hit me up with those. In the meantime, please shoot me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Share the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will be back with you Monday with hopefully Coyote parts, if UPS ever gets my parts here.